Okay, let's talk clipping mask. So what is clipping mask? It's very simple. All we're doing is we're taking the information from a layer below and we're asking it to honor the layer below that as a frame. Okay, now that might seem very weird and confusing, but let me show you an example. All right, let's rasterize this because we've just imported it, this weird swirly effect. I'm gonna grab the text tool and I'm just gonna press on something random, type title, okay, and then we're gonna press Control T and we're gonna make that significantly larger. All right, now what do we mean in terms of a clipping mask? Now what I want you to do is make sure whatever material you want to wrap around your, for example, in this instance, text, it could be a shape, whatever you like. You want to make sure that's sitting above it, okay? And simply right click and create clipping mask. And there we go, as simple as that. It's honored, as you see, there's a little line there, the shape underneath it, and we can still move this one around like so. But what it's done is it's just using the borders of the layer below as a reference point, and it's like a window to see through to whatever's underneath. So this could be gold or it could be clouds. It's whatever you want, whatever texture you want to put underneath there, you can create a clipping mask out of. It is as simple as that. There's the skill. Go and make something crazy with it.